एग्जाम की तैयारी करनी है और समझ नहीं आ रहा कि कहाँ से शुरू करें, तो ये है आपका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स। क्योंकि प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर से आते हैं एज इट इज क्वेश्चन या फिर उन्हीं सिमिलर टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन जो कि इन पेपरों में ऑलरेडी पूछे जा चुके हैं। तो इन्हीं टॉपिक्स को तैयार कर आप अपने एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन को कर सकते हैं एकदम सॉलिड प्रूफ। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल तैयारी एग्जाम की। इस चैनल पर हम डिस्कस करते हैं सभी स्ट्रीम्स के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को, जिनसे आप कर सकते हैं अपनी एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन को 100%। मेक श्योर कि आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इसे अपने दोस्तों के साथ, अपने क्लासमेट्स के साथ, कॉलेज मेट्स के साथ, सबके साथ शेयर करें ताकि वो भी कर सके अपनी प्रिपरेशन को 100%। क्योंकि यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स किए बिना है हमेशा अधूरी। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं बीएससी के 6 सेमेस्टर का बॉटनी का पेपर इकोलॉजी एंड एनवायरनमेंट। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी ग्रीन हाउस गैस रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ग्लोबल वार्मिंग? आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए CO2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज अ मेजर लॉन्ग टर्म एनवायरमेंटल इंपैक्ट ऑफ न्यूक्लियर होलोकास्ट? इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, परमानेंट रेडियो एक्टिव कंटेमिनेशन। Question number 3, which factor is not a driver of climate change? Answer is option number D, Earth's magnetic field. Question number 4, which gases contribute most to the formation of acid rain? Answer is option number D, SO2 and NOx, that is nitrogen की जो oxides होती है। Question number 5, which open source GIS software specializes in hydrological and environmental analysis? Answer is option number C, GRASS GIS. Question number 6, which satellite data is used for mapping vegetation assessment and land use classification? Answer is option number C, visible light. Question number 7, which GIS technology specializes in JavaScript based interactive maps? Answer is option number A, open layers. Question number 8, which human activity increases in greenhouse gas emissions? Answer is option number A, industrial processes. Question number 9, zone of transition presenting a stimulation of special ecological interest between two types of communities is called as? Answer is option number D, ecotone. Question number 10, limanology is? Answer is option number B, freshwater ecology. Question number 11, Secchi disk is used to measure? Answer is option number B, turbidity of water. Question number 12, laterite soil is rich in? Answer is option number B, iron. Question number 13, soil particles in order of increasing size are? Answer is option number D, clay, silt, sand and gravel. Question number 14, which water is available to plants? Answer is option number A, capillary. Question number 15, fully decomposed organic matter, humus, occur in which horizon of soil profile? Answer is option number A horizon. Question number 16, water logging occurs in? Answer is option number A, clay soil. Question number 17, grasslands with scattered trees are called? Answer is option number D, savanna. Question number 18, the total interacting animals and plants in any well-defined area is known as? Answer is option number C, ecosystem. Question number 19, ecological niche of an organism is? Answer is option number B, way of life. Question number 20, the chief source of nitrogen for plants in soil is? Answer is option number D, nitrate. Question number 21, environmental ethics primarily deals with? Answer is option number C, ethical dilemmas concerning the environment. Question number 22, certified emissions reductions are associated with which environmental initiative? Answer is option number D, emissions trading schemes. Question number 23, the 3 R's stand for? Answer is option number B, reduce, reuse, recycle. Question number 24, the clean development mechanism is a part of which international treaty? Answer is option number B, Paris Agreement. Question number 25, which approach focuses on the restoration of land that was previously unproductive? Answer is option number C, ecological restoration. Question number 26, which factor contributes to the development of wastelands? Answer is option number B, overgrazing, grazing and deforestation. Question number 27, direct ecological factor is? Answer is option number B, temperature. Question number 28, psychological dryness is faced by? Answer is option number A, desert plants. Question number 29, ozone layer is present in? Answer is option number A, stratosphere. Question number 30, the term ecological succession was first used by? Answer is option number D, Hult. Question number 31, which of the following is a non-renewable natural resource? Answer is option number B, coal. Question number 32, which water body is not a Ramsar site in India? Answer is option number C, Ganges River. Question number 33, what is the primary purpose of watershed management plan? Answer is option number A, prevention of soil erosion. Question number 34, what is the primary purpose of biosphere reserve? Answer is option number C, conservation of biodiversity. Question number 35, which of the following is an example of biotic factor? Answer is option number D, plants. Question number 36, which biome is characterized by Permafrost and low gazing vegetation. Answer is option number D, tundra. Question number 37. Browsing is an example of. Answer is option number D, none of these. Question number 38. Total soluble salts in soil are measured by. Answer is option number C, conductivity meter. Question number 39. The storage of energy at consumers level is. Answer is option number B, secondary productivity. Question number 40. Technique of soil conservation by constructing platform across slopes is. Answer is option number D, bench terracing. Question number 41. Plant succession taking place in sandy area is. Answer is option number C, semorsis. Sorry, semosere. P silent है यहाँ पर. Question number 42. The earliest settlers on barren land are. Answer is option number A, lichen. Question number 43. Which is the term for the process by which organism maintain a stable internal environment? Answer is option number D, homeostasis. Question number 44. The Gobi Desert is an example of. Answer is option number B, cold desert biome. Question number 45. Which of the following is the characteristic of a tropical rainforest? Answer is option number C, high rainfall and constant temperature. Question number 46. Tree hugging movement is associated with. Answer is option number A, HN Bahuguna. Question number 47. Vivipary is common in. Answer is option number B, helophytes. Question number 48. Which non-legume angiosperm contains root nodules? Modules नहीं N आना चाहिए, nodules. Answer is option number A, Casuarina. Casuarina. Question number 49. Pyramid of biomass in pond ecosystem is. Answer is option number A, inverted. Question number 50. True xerophytes or drought resistance are. Answer is option number A, succulents. Question number 51. Keystone species deserve protection because these. Answer is option number B, play an important role in supporting other species. Question number 52. The ultraviolet radiation in stratosphere are absorbed by. Answer is option number A, O2. Question number 53. Catalytic converter in vehicle is used for controlling. Answer is option number B, air. Answer is option number B, air pollution. Question number 54. Most diverse organism of an ecosystem is. Answer is option number A, producers. Question number 55. Eutrophication can be observed in. Answer is option number B, lake. Question number 56. Habitat together with functions of species constitute its. Answer is option number B, niche. Question number 57. Soil erosion is prevented by. Answer is option number A, afforestation. Question number 58. Chernobyl nuclear tragedy occur on which date? Answer is option number D, 26 April 1986. Question number 59. Maximum productivity is found in. Answer is option number C, tropical rainforest. Question number 60. The purpose of crop rotation is. Answer is option number A, to prevent soil erosion. Question number 61. The beneficial effect of grazing animal is the. Answer is option number D, addition of their excreta to the soil. Question number 62. The rate of conservation of light energy into chemical energy of organic molecule in an ecosystem is. Answer is option number A, gross primary productivity. Question number 63. Which is the role of GIS in resource management? Answer is option number C, mapping and visualization. Question number 64. The process environment impact assessment is primarily conducted for. Answer is option number D, predicting environmental effects. Question number 65. Which of the following best describes commensalism? Answer is option number D, one organism is helped and the other is neither helped nor harmed. Question number 66. What happens in a competitive relationship? Answer is option number A, both organisms are harmed. Question number 67. The National Green Tribunal NGT is India deals with. Answer is option number C, environmental disputes and issues. Question number 68. The Montreal Protocol is primarily concerned with the protection of. Answer is option number A, ozone layer. Question number 69. Which Indian legislation focuses on regulating air pollution? Answer is option number B, Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act. Question number 70. The Convention on Biodiversity focuses on. Answer is option number D, promoting sustainable use of genetic resources. Question number 71. What is the primary aim of Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act in India? Answer is option number B, regular discharge of pollutants into water bodies. Question number 72. Which of the following is not common recyclable material? Answer is option number C, ceramics. Question number 73. What is the primary role of landfill gas collection system? Answer is option number C, capturing methane emission. Question number 74. What is the primary purpose of sorting and regression in waste management? Answer is option number D, facilitating recycling and treatment. Question number 75. Aim of social forestry are. Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 76. Positive interaction includes. Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 77. CPHERI deals with? Answer is option number D, none of these. Question number 78, alluvial soils are chiefly found in? Answer is option number A, Indo genetic plains. Question number 79, when excess of sewage is dumped in the river, it's BOD. Answer is option number B, increases. Question number 80, the nature of climax community ultimately depends on? Answer is option number A, climate. Question number 81, ozone layer in stratosphere is affected by? Answer is option number B, chlorofluorocarbon. Question number 82, the Earth Summit was held at? Answer is option number D, Rio de Janeiro. Question number 83, why is biodiversity valuable? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 84, which work is responsible for habitat loss? Answer is option number D, both B and C. Question number 85, which of the following organism is an indicator of water pollution? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 86, biogas is which type of energy resource? Answer is option number D, both A and B. Question number 87, when Wildlife Protection Act was launched in India? Answer is option number D, 1972. Question number 88, Lylord Botanical Garden is located at? Answer is option number C, Darjeeling. Question number 89, the largest forest corner in India is in which state? Answer is option number D, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 90, what is climax community? Answer is option number C, last stable community. Question number 91, fluoride pollution mainly affects? Answer is option number C, bones and teeth. Question number 92, mycorrhiza show? Answer is option number B, symbiosis. Question number 93, World Environmental Day is celebrated on? Answer is option number B, 5 June. Question number 94, formation of ozone is? Answer is option number C, photochemical reaction. Question number 95, the zone of gradual change in temperature is known as? Answer is option number B, thermocline. Question number 96, World Ozone Day is observed on? Answer is option number C, 16 September. Question number 97, prevention of germ plasma in frozen state is known as? Answer is option number D, cryopreservation. Question number 98, Project Ganga was launched in which year? Answer is option number B, 1986. Question number 99, Dudhwa National Park in Uttar Pradesh is situated? Answer is option number C, at Indo-Nepal border. Question number 100, Jim Corbett National Park was established in? Answer is option number A, 1936. तो ये था आपका बॉटनी का पेपर इकोलॉजी एंड एनवायरनमेंट। आई होप ये वीडियो आपकी एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में आपके लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा हेल्पफुल रहेगी। मेक श्योर कि आप इसे लाइक करें। अगर किसी भी क्वेश्चन में आपको डाउट है तो इसे आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन करें। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ, सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ, स्टूडेंट्स के साथ इसको शेयर करें ताकि उनको हेल्प मिले एंड इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प मी टू ग्रो द चैनल एंड कीप द चैनल गोइंग। थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।